Hi Kinder friends, today for writing we're going to be doing a Craftivity. We're going to use the spring Cinquain that you wrote yesterday to make into a beautiful flower. And the best part is Mother's Day is coming up, so you can totally use it as one of your gifts to mom or grandma. What you'll need for this activity is your Cinquain foam and then the flower pieces. This is a stem, petals, and then the circle that goes in the middle where you rewrite your poem. If your printer's acting up like mine, don't worry because we can make our own flower. If you don't have colored construction paper, just use white paper that you have around the house. You can trace your circle with many different things like a bowl or a plate, and that can be where you write your Cinquain. Alright, so I use my plate to trace a circle. Now I need to keep my Cinquain in the same format with 5 lines. So now I have my 5 lines and I'm ready to write. I do my topic at the top, my 2 adjectives on the second line, my 3rd line are my action words, 4th line is a word, phrase, or feeling, and 5th line is a synonym. After I rewrite my spring Cinquain, it's time to cut it out. Remember, we don't have punctuation at the end of these lines because they are not complete sentences. They are just phrases for our poem. After you've cut out the circle where you wrote your poem, you can use your scraps to cut a line and make the stem. Ta-da! I even used the corners of my scrap paper to make 2 little leaves for the stem. Lastly, we need to make petals. You can make your petals long and skinny, or you can do more short and round. Just make sure they cover the entire outside of your flower. This is your project, so whatever you like best. When you're all finished, glue your pieces together. When you're all done assembling your pieces, it should look something like this. It's okay if yours looks a little different. Remember, this is your project. After this, color. All right, Kinder friends, I'm going to go back to coloring my flower. I hope you had a wonderful week. See you next time.